underestimate her, don't underestimate her, ntumusuzugure, don't underestimate her, ntumusuzugure, don't underestimate her, ntumusuzugure, don't underestimate him, don't underestimate him, ntumusuzugure, don't underestimate him, ntumusuzugure, don't underestimate them, ntubasuzugure, don't underestimate them, ntubasuzugure, don't underestimate them, ntubasuzugure. Mu cyongereza benshi ndazi ni muzi kuvuga ukungene wovuga ati gusuzugura, gusuzugura mu cyongereza mwese ndazi biraza kubagora. Rero gusuzugura mu cyongereza dukoresha verb to underestimate, to underestimate, to underestimate, to underestimate ni rivuga rero risobanuye gusuzugura. Let's see some examples, maybe we are going to understand it even better. Reka duhere ku mwanya wa kubu. I underestimate, I underestimate, I underestimate, ndasuzugura. You underestimate, you underestimate, you underestimate, urasuzugura. She underestimates, she underestimates, kubera ngaha hari she na he na it cyatwongeza ko s, cyatuvuga ati she underestimates, she underestimates, she underestimates, arasuzugura. He underestimates, he underestimates, arasuzugura. He iza kuvuga umuhungu, rero ngaha tuvuze ati she underestimates, arasuzugura. It underestimates, it underestimates, it underestimate, kirasuzugura. It underestimate, it underestimate, kirasuzugura. We underestimate, turasuzugura. We underestimate, turasuzugura. We underestimate, turasuzugura. You underestimate, murasuzugura. You irashobora kuba mu bwisi canke ikaba mu rudende. You underestimate, murasuzugura. You underestimate, murasuzugura. They underestimate, barasuzugura. They underestimate, barasuzugura. Past simple kahise, kahise gasanzwe. I underestimated, narasuzuguye canke nasuzuguye. I underestimated, narasuzuguye canke nasuzuguye. I underestimated, nasuzuguye canke narasuzuguye. You underestimated, warasuzuguye. You underestimated, warasuzuguye canke wasuzuguye. You underestimated, warasuzuguye. He underestimated, yarasuzuguye. He underestimated, yarasuzuguye. She underestimated, yarasuzuguye. It underestimated, cyarasuzuguye. We underestimated, twarasuzuguye. We underestimated, twarasuzuguye. They underestimated, barasuzuguye. Future simple, kazoza ka hafi gasanzwe canke ka hafi. I will underestimate, nzosuzugura. I will underestimate, nzosuzugura. You will underestimate, uzosuzugura. He will underestimate, azosuzugura. He will underestimate, azosuzugura. She will underestimate, azosuzugura. It will underestimate, kizosuzugura. It will underestimate, kizosuzugura. We will underestimate, tuzosuzugura. You will underestimate, muzosuzugura. You will underestimate, muzosuzugura. You will underestimate, muzosuzugura. They will underestimate, bazosuzugura. They will underestimate, bazosuzugura. Reka rero turabe common example uburorero bukunda kwibonekeza busanzwe. Don't underestimate me, ntusuzugure. Don't underestimate me, ntusuzugure. Never underestimate yourself, ntukisuzugure. Never underestimate yourself, ntukisuzugure. Never underestimate yourself, ntukisuzugure. Never underestimate yourself, ntukisuzugure. 3. Don't underestimate her. Don't underestimate her, ntumusuzugure. Don't underestimate her, ntumusuzugure. Don't underestimate her, ntumusuzugure. Don't underestimate him. Don't underestimate him, ntumusuzugure. Don't underestimate him, ntumusuzugure. Don't underestimate them, ntubasuzugure. Don't underestimate them, ntubasuzugure. Don't underestimate them, ntubasuzugure. many people underestimate me. Mvuze ati many people underestimate me, mba mvuze gute? Many people underestimate me, mba mvuze gute? Vyandike muri comment section, nutabitora turaza kugukosora. Mvuze ati many people underestimate me, mba mvuze gute? Vyandike muri comment section, turaza kugukosora. I underestimated the problem. I underestimated the problem. Narasuzuguye ikibazo. Narasuzuguye nyene uburemere bw'ikibazo cyangwa narasuzuguye ikibazo. I underestimated the problem. Narasuzuguye ikibazo cyangwa narasuzuguye uburemere bw'ikibazo. 8. We underestimated the challenge. We underestimate the challenge. Twarasuzuguye uburemere bw'ico kibazo nyene uko bize, naho challenge abari nk'ikibazo nyene kigora, abara nk'akantu kagoye. We underestimate the challenge. Twarasuzuguye ikibazo canke akantu kagoye. We underestimated the challenge. Twarasuzuguye ikibazo. They underestimated us. They underestimated us. They underestimated us. Baradusuzuguye. They underestimated us. Baradusuzuguye. Nk'ubu mvuze ati naho mvuze ati don't underestimate your abilities. Abilities ni ububasha canke ubushobozi. Don't underestimate your abilities, mba mvuze gute? Don't underestimate your abilities, mba mvuze gute? Don't underestimate your abilities, mba mvuze gute? Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more lessons. Don't go away. See you.